Some say spirituality is a calling, others, a choice. For me, it was neither until I joined the Institute of Higher Transcendence.
Institute of Higher Transcendence? What is this?
Enrollment. A journey unlike any other awaits. Answer truthfully. Okay? Have you ever felt like reality isn't real?
Hi guys.
Hi! Welcome everyone to Transformative Spirituality. This course is not about chanting or levitation. It's about exploring the transformative power of human connections and exploring the journey within.
भाई एक तो मेरे पापा हैं, मेरे कोर्स को कुछ सीरियसली नहीं लेते यार। हद हो गई है। पता नहीं क्या करूं मैं यार, थक
कौन
चुका
ही
हूं।
लेता है हमारे कोर्स को सीरियसली। एक काम कर, अपने पापा को बोल जाके दूध लेके
सही है यार, एटलीस्ट तुम्हारे पापा तो है पूछने के लिए।
भाई यू नो व्हाट्स स्ट्रेंज, लोग बोलते हैं कि spirituality is the answer to everything, but I don't think in this life anything has an answer. Because one second my dad was laughing about something that I don't even remember, and the next second he was right there lying there on the ground in front of my eyes, like such a simple thing, it जिसने हमारी पूरी फैमिली की लाइफ ही बदल दी. And it's as if that the world is moving on, but we are still stuck in that moment. And जब भी मैं किसी से बात करता हूँ तो they say that have faith, but it's saying as if that faith will magically turn everything around, but it's not, because कुछ नहीं होगा faith से.
Maybe it's not about fairness or finding the right answers. Maybe it's about just learning to live within this mess, to keep asking questions even when there are no clear solutions.
नाइस यार, मतलब जो हो रहा है होने दो। लाइफ सक्स भाई, व्हाटएवर आई मीन, ठीक है, नॉट अ बिग डील।
Wow, Samir, so profound. You should write philosophical books.
I know, right? It'll be killing. The subtle art of not overthinking. Best material, bro.
I mean, जैसे तुम लोग बोल रहे हो कि you feel like life kept moving on as though nothing happened. But that is not the case. You were there, you experienced it, you felt it. That accounts for something. I mean, it's not necessary that everything has to be very prominent. Oh, great. So now I'm a poetic tragedy in motion. Fantastic.
I don't believe in this spiritual thing. I just believe that people are like cities. They are loud, they are chaotic, and they're always under construction.
Mumbai.
Yeah. And some part of us is always changing, and the other parts, they are always still. And maybe that's enough.
That's poetic coming from you.
I have my moments. Of course.
Hey, hey guys. Zayan, you might not believe in anything, but that does not mean that you're lost. It just means that you haven't found what you're looking for yet.
So should I just wander aimlessly around trying to find the answers?
Then maybe the search itself is the answer.
And what of attachment? We cling to things, to people, to ideas, to the concept of our own self image, as if they define us. But what happens when these things shift, change, or disappear? What happens when we begin to question the narrative? What happens when we begin to see the interconnectedness of all these things? So, class, today we have a special guest lecturer with us who has spent his entire life walking the hidden dimensions of reality. Please welcome Agastya.
Sacrifice is not about losing, it's about becoming. To give with intent is to reshape the self. Hi, I'm Agastya. I walk on the path of offerings, not to the gods, but to the truth within. Tell me, have you ever let go of something, not out of weakness, but out of purpose? And if you do, you will understand what it means to truly exist.
Guys, ये सब क्या बोल के गया है?
बोल रहा था मैं तो सच में सच में होता है।
हमारा मुझे तो नहीं पता कोर्स ही है तो मुझे तो नहीं लगा
पढ़ के आया PhD or something.
Guys, you know what? Let's do this. Yeah, no. But हमें करेंगे कैसे?
I can help. Tonight, you will leave behind all your senses, voices, and your thoughts. Whatever you will see or hear, remember, it's not for you to question. Silence is your only resolve.
Zayan, Steffi, Naina, Samir, Shri, Ayat.
We will all walk paths that lead nowhere, but within.
I guess it will be fun, right?
Well, this is the night they are all gonna get possessed. I just wanna say, guys, it's been real.
But what if we don't hear anything?
You will. Okay. The first voice, hum.
Did anybody else hear that?
Open your eyes, but don't move. Walk slowly.
I see them. Do you guys not?
Don't speak. Keep walking forward.
I'm not gonna do it. Zayan, wake up! Zayan!
Zayan, wake up! Oh my god, he's alive! But he's out cold.
I can't believe we actually did that. What were we thinking?
Oh, I know what we were thinking. We were listening to her. As if it was all my fault. We all agreed. No one objected.
You made it sound like it is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Like we were missing out on something if we didn't.
Yeah, and now look at us. Zayan literally passed out, and we have absolutely no idea what actually happened.
God, are we seriously doing this?
Just let them be. They just want somebody to live with.
Guys, we all did what we did together. Blaming Steffi is not going to change what happened. We need to plan what we have to do next together again.
You knew, didn't you? You knew we'd take it too far.
Knew what exactly?
That we'd actually perform the ritual, that we'd get so caught up in everything you've been saying, we'd lose sense of ourselves and all reason.
I never told you to perform a ritual. I merely presented an idea. It was you guys who chose to do it.
You manipulated us. You made us think that this is the only way. Like this was the only way we would understand.
Did I? Or did you hear what you wanted to hear? Tell me, Ayat, what were you trying to prove to yourself and to others?
You made us feel like that we were lacking, like we had to shed everything just to be worthy.
Worthy of what? Enlightenment? A deeper truth? You all came here searching for something. A meaning, validation. I merely held up a mirror.
So what? This was all some twisted experiment for you?
You just wanted to play around with us.
Not an experiment, a lesson. Real transformation isn't found in some rituals. It's found in discomfort when we see ourselves.
So what are we supposed to do now? Thank you for manipulating us into an existential crisis?
No, you don't have to thank me. But you do have to decide. Do you want to keep searching for shortcuts? Or are you ready to put in some real work?
We sought answers, a grand mystical experience. Instead, we found connection and friendship, discovering that true growth happens together.
Spirituality isn't about escaping. It's about embracing life's imperfections and complexities and finding strength in our shared experiences. The most profound journey is stopping to live, finding growth in being present, and realizing that our connections shape who we become.
Laughter, tears, and vulnerability weave us together, making life meaningful. It's through these moments that we truly understand each other.
Connection is the essence of spirituality. Bonds that give us strength and purpose. These relationships empower us to face life's challenges together.
The journey itself is the destination, a path of self-discovery and lasting connections that transform us. In each relationship, we uncover new layers of ourselves.
Good morning, class. Welcome to Transformative Spirituality.
Guys, I'm so excited for this course.
Yeah, it seems so fun.
Yeah, she seems pretty cool. It's whatever, I guess.